Are you a business owner who is always confused whenever you hear these terms, that is performance marketing and branding? Today in this video I'm going to tell you what exactly does performance marketing mean and what exactly does branding mean, so that whenever you come across these words you should not feel confused and you should be able to take a right decision whether to proceed with performance marketing or branding or both. Before getting in, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Rahil Ahmades, CEO and co-founder of Percoyo Digital, one of the leading digital marketing agencies in Bangalore and founder of Performance Marketing Hub, online school to learn digital marketing and Google Ads. Let's get in. Performance marketing versus branding. Now, whenever we hear the term performance marketing, what comes to our mind is performance marketing means Google Ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, or Twitter ads. Overall, what we feel is performance marketing means ads. Now, with this, the question comes here is performance marketers are highly paid. There are some performance marketers who are paid 1 crore per annum. Now, why are they paid so much when in today's world, that is in 2022, these platforms, running ads on these platforms, even I can tell you, even if a person of 10th standard does a small course or something, he can start running his own ads on these platforms. I don't say that he can make advanced campaigns and all those things, but yes, he can start running ads. But what is the difference that performance marketers are doing that they are making so much money? Let's get in and understand the actual meaning of a performance marketing. Now, here you can see performance marketing is the process of running profitable campaigns to grow a business, right? To grow a business. Now, the main thing that you can see here is it should be a profitable campaign. Anyone can run a Google ads, anyone can run a Facebook ads, anyone can run ads. But performance marketer is the person who runs a profitable ad campaign. Now, what does it take to make a profitable campaign? Is it so easy? In today's competition, where there is a huge competition and CPCs are skyrocketing, so let's see what all does a performance marketer need to know. Performance marketer needs to know these many skills. One is business thinking. Simply, if he starts running ads by knowing the technical knowledge, that is not going to work. In order to make that a profitable campaign, he has to have this business thinking. He has to have the problem solving capability. Wherever in a marketing journey there is a problem, he should be a person who can connect the dots and figure out where is the actual problem, fixing that problem, and then again getting back the business rolling is what a performance marketing means, right? Next, he should know paid advertising, he should know analytics, he should know to give value proposition for the products and services, and he should know conversion optimization, like how to increase the conversions in the same ad budgets. He should know attribution, he should know copywriting, writing very good ad copies, very good landing page copies and emailers, different things. He should know technology, okay, where exactly which is a better technology to use, which is the technology to not use, right? Next, he needs to know content and he needs to know assets like websites, Google My Business, different assets. He needs to play around with each and every asset, CRM and all those things. Now, he should also have certain understanding of UI or UX, and he should mainly understand the business gaps, because of what gap the campaigns are not being profitable. Sometimes there are gaps actually in the different departments apart from marketing. Even that he has to be able to understand and figure out, advise accordingly to the business owners so that they can take actions, and again the campaigns can be profitable and business can also be a profitable growing business. Now hope you understand what all it takes to be a performance marketer. Right. Now, who is a complete performance marketer? As I told you, a complete performance marketer can connect the dots and point out exactly where is the problem in the marketing journey and fix the problem. He has to figure out where is the problem. He has to have the capability to fix the problem. Only this person can become a complete performance marketer. Now, once we are done with performance marketing, hope you have clear idea what is performance marketing. Let's get into branding. Now, what is branding? Any marketing activity that you do to build an emotional connection or relationship with your customers is branding. Brand is a person's perception towards your business. For example, whenever we say Coke, you remember one sentence, Thanda matlab Coca-Cola. Right? Now, this is the perception that that brand has put in a lot of effort to build in consumers. Whenever we say KFC, the first thing you may remember is the KFC's that logo, red color logo. And second thing few people may remember is whenever you come across a KFC store, the smell that comes from the KFC's crispy chicken, right? That taste and this thing automatically trigger, right? That is the connection which that brand has built with its users or customers. It has not happened automatically. There goes a lot of effort in the background from the marketing team and branding team to bring these kind of connections with the customers. So let's see what all it takes to do branding. Next is branding. Yes. See, logo is most of the people what they understand is branding means logo, right? They go for a very good logo and all those things, but logo is just one part of branding. Other parts are colors. What are the colors you are using for all your brand marketing on each and every marketing collateral that goes out, whether it is a website, flyers, landing pages, logo, or anything, business card, everywhere your brand colors have to be same and they have to resonate with your brand. Then what is the tone with which your brand is sending out messages? Then messaging. Okay, your messaging should be same across all the platforms, right? You can see, why did Thanda matlab Coca-Cola? That particular thing comes as Thanda matlab Coca-Cola was the messaging which was used in almost every marketing platform or branding platform by Coke, and it was shown to us so many times repeatedly over a number of years that it got imbibed in us, right? So the messaging needs to be consistent, and video ads, same thing, the branding, all colors and tones, everything have to be, messaging have to be taken care while doing video ads, whether it is TV commercials or YouTube videos or any social media videos. Everywhere the branding has to be kept in place. Next is influencer or celebrity collaborations. The brand has to collaborate with influencers in the same industry and celebrities who resonate with its brand values. For example, if there is a brand who always wants to win, who is ready to take the challenges, who is innovating like anything, going to be always number one, they can resonate with Virat Kohli or someone who is always winning, right? A celebrity who is always winning, that kind of celebrity collaborations. Next is content marketing. Even your content pieces which you put out have to resonate with your branding. Next is social media management. All the posts that you post on social media should abide with this brand colors, tone, messaging, and all those things. Next, if you are in a real estate industry, you can have virtual tours and activities that you do in malls to get brand recognition to people who visit malls. Again, magazine ads, front page ads in newspapers, airport ads. When you go to airport, you see ads, right? Those ads only tell you about the brand name, and probably they don't give you any call to action, like call to this number if you want to get this or anything. There is no call to action in most of the branding activities. There is no call to actions. Again, in billboard ads, you can see brand name is written in huge and everything, but there is no this thing. Next is education marketing, and there are many more different types of branding. So hope now you understand what all goes in the branding thing. Now let's see the major differences between performance marketing and branding. In performance marketing, these are the six major differentiators. Now first is ROI. Now in performance marketing, you have immediate return on investment. You can measure it. If there is a negative ROI, you can fix it and improve it. But in branding takes a lot of time. There is no immediate ROI there. Next is call to action. In performance marketing, there is call to action. Immediately, like you will show ad and tell call us, meet us, come, or whatever it is, right? The call to action is there. But in branding, there is no call to action. It is just put to show people that we are this brand, we provide this, but they will not put call to action. Next, preferred. For whom is it preferred? Performance marketing is preferred for any type of business. If you are starting a new business today, you can start with performance marketing to generate lead, to generate new business. But branding is not for new business. It is for growing businesses or profitable businesses. Why I'm telling growing businesses here is they should have enough investments, like funded companies or someone who are visionary businesses who have money to do branding. Now, the rule of thumb here is, if you have 1 rupee, start with performance marketing. If you have 2 rupees, only then invest 1 rupee in performance marketing and 1 rupee in branding. Next is time duration. Performance marketing can be done within months, immediately, right? It doesn't take a lot of time, but branding takes several years to be done properly. Next, measurement. Performance marketing is easy to measure and the measurements are 100% accurate, but in branding, it is difficult to measure and it is not 100% accurate, right? Hope now you're clear with the differences of performance marketing versus branding. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly like this video and share this video with other business owners so that they can be clear about what is performance marketing and what is branding, and which type of marketing activity they have to start depending on their business type. Thank you so much. In case if you want these activities to be done by a professional agency, you can connect with Percoyo Digital. Or in case if you want to learn these things on your own, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can also join my VIP group. The link is given in the description. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.